Oh, nice, nice.
He's like, I did it for a couple of days. I was like, oh. For a couple of days.
Okay. Oh, so everything is out already. Sorry.
Hi.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
Is the battery plugged?
I think the battery, I got a booster. I'll just pop the bonnet. That's all good.
I'm his student.
Student,
Yeah,
I'm his
she's my student.
I'm trying to learn a little bit what he's doing because it's fascinating.
Yeah, very good money.
Oh yeah,
Very good
for
money.
that I say the same things. You see?
Okay, we need to jump start it.
I got a booster.
Yes, okay. Okay. Okay.
Not work?
Yeah. No.
Going in the van now.
Pardon?
Going in the van now.
We're in the van. This is the good stuff.
We'll be in the van. And this plug here disconnects from the motherboard, and we have to resolder the thing. You'll see the ignition switch.
Ignition switch. Okay.
This is called ignition switch. Okay, so we take this out.
Like that I clean the camera. Oh my goodness.
Okay,
This one or which one?
the G button, the G point.
G point. This one. 400.
Just wait. Go, go, go!
Oh, where to go? I'm looking if it become red or no.
No, it's not.
Smelling. Start smell. Okay.
She's gonna be one of the first female locksmiths.
Oh, so you teach people in general?
Yes,
Okay, that's good.
yes, I do.
Or I'll get some courses later on in life.
From me, not from him.
Okay.
I think your student. Joking.
She's gonna take my clients.
Why not? You'll be a business associate with me soon. After I will learn quite fast. You can imagine.
That's good.
I'll do my best not to teach you.
Thank you so much. Cheers. I will have my coffee until you finish the work.
When I went to school, lots of Romanians, my friends. So.
Yeah, you'll teach me. You are a good friend.
Well, he has experience. He knows what he's doing.
I'm doing this for a couple of days, so
Couple of days.
I have more
year.
experience than her.
He only for a couple of days.
I'm
For a
joking.
couple of years.
6 years.
Okay, that's good.
But
A couple of days I look at it, maybe I want my key back.
when he saw me, wow, you didn't trust me?
No, him. He's
Oh, nice, nice.
he's like, I did it for a couple of days. I was like, oh,
For a
interesting.
couple of days, I would take the key back. It's just plugging it there. We're here. To plug here on this. Let me.
Okay.
On this one or the. Did I have to press something? Give me the key.
Keys there.
Where? I can't find it. I found some money.
Come on, put it in contact.
Oh, like that. It's working.
Yay!
Come and see.